How to manage memories notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage memories notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click this three lines in top corner and go down until you find here this one. Say this one, memories. Click on it and then click this settings icon here and click notifications. And if you want to turn off memories notifications, just click this one here, and if you want to turn it on, just click here, just one click as you see. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.